we're getting ready to do film another shower install. Tight quarters. We're gonna do the best we can to film it, but this is a remodel, and so obviously we don't have tile on the walls. What's cool about these kits is you can put them over new construction, remodels, existing tile showers, a lot of options. You can even do these kits right over a painted textured wall without even having to do the patch or paste. We're doing our Kodiak flake in this. It's a really light colored white and gray flake. It's gonna make it really bright in here. Obviously gonna make it look a little bigger. You know, tighter quarters, you wanna go lighter colors. It helps make it feel bigger. We've got some lights set up. We're gonna get as much good shots as we can. But again, another new construction. We did one of these in the academies. A lot bigger shower, and then they're gonna wind up doing the floor as well. So they've kind of already started prepping the floor. But yeah, we're gonna go mix, get the first coat on. We're gonna throw our flake into that first coat, the patch of paste with silica sand. We'll flake into that, and then come back the next day, apply our Polyaspartics, one more flake coat. Once that's done, we apply 2 more coats of Polyaspartic, and that's it. Start dumping in the sand. Okay. Clean this out later. Grab it. That way we can keep him full. Is it sticking? No. You see how better it's going to start sticking when we get out here and we apply it to fresher product. All right, so we're finished up. First coat, first broadcast of flake, and even, you know, the spot where it's kind of sat got a little stickier. Had to throw it a little harder, but just one coat, you can see how good it covers. We're gonna come back, scrape it, roll on Polyaspartic, and the flake are gonna stick even better into the Polyaspartic because we're able to apply it so quick, and we'll get even better coverage on this next coat. But even right now, looks like a finished shower. It's pretty cool. So we'll get a couple shots for you. We'll come back tomorrow, scrape it, get that next coat poly on, flake it again, and get this thing banged out. You don't need that. All right, so check it out. They came here early, sanded, scraped, sanded, got everything basically prepped. Last thing they got to do is just tape everything off again. But look how beautiful this looks, and we're not even done yet. The awesome thing and selling point about these kits and this process is it's seamless. You're not dealing with grout lines. You don't have to recaulk, silicone, anything. Super easy to clean because we seal this with our polyaspartic. So yeah, we're gonna tape it off, apply the poly same way we did yesterday before we broadcast the flake. Roll it out real thin, make sure it's rolled out really good, cut in our corners. We're gonna mask up, we're gonna plastic off the door and everything. And so that's the game plan today, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see how it feels and see if we want to do another coat.